Welcome to Amsterdam.
We are headed now into Leiden to park our car. We're going to take the train into Amsterdam, and then we go to the Van Gogh Museum, and then we go to the Anne Frank house. Also, we did not plan this, but today is 420 and 420 in Amsterdam. I don't know what it's going to be like. We'll find out. I wanted to say that I've noticed. One, we have seen no police vehicles, nothing like we see in Germany.
So we just finished with the Van Gogh Museum. You weren't able to take any videos, and kind of the only pictures you're able to take are like right in front of the actual paintings. So we really didn't get to do anything at that.
But it was really good. It's really cool, obviously, to see all the paintings. And,
yeah.
Like you can see his brush strokes. You can get a lot closer to those than some of the other
Museums. Yeah.
It's just really cool.
Yeah, it's pretty neat. Just need to make sure we don't wander into the red light district. So we stopped at this little cafe. We're gonna get some sandwiches. We got a beer, prosecco, at Bouge El Art Cafe.
And
Art Cafe. So we'll try it out. See what we got. We are about to go into the Anne Frank house, do that tour, but obviously there's no pictures or video inside, so catch you when we come outside. I don't know, small pancakes. I don't know what they are.
Puffer cakes?
I don't know. What do you think?
So today is our last full day here in the Netherlands, and right now we are heading into Leiden to take the train back to Amsterdam, and we're gonna go shop, eat, look around. But the most adventurous part of the day is the fact that we are bringing Abel with us. He's never been on a train. So we're gonna see how that goes today. Yikes.
Or a major city.
Or a major city. Two things that we've noticed. No police on the roads. Like you see in, I don't know what they're called here, but no police. We see them all the time in Wiesbaden. Just wherever you always see police. And then the stairs here are so narrow. Like they're really small. And I have a small foot. It's not like, you know, I have a huge feet. Like Chris has big feet. And he has to like turn sideways to go down them. I don't know, it's weird. Is that everywhere in Holland? I don't know.
Over there is the World War II, World War II monument.
So we just had lunch at Sandwich Shop Amsterdam. Really good.
Right here is where you can look down the street and like the buildings kind of lean in, like they look like they're getting ready to fall over. So if you can see them in all these right here.
Did we ever really close out yesterday's video?
No.
No. You guys didn't get to see our dinner.